For today's recipe, you'll need dressings, and I will explain the two dressings a little bit later. Of course, we'll need our salad, edamame soybeans, Inari tofu pockets, couple packs of udon noodles, tempura flakes. Here I have some cut up nori, and then our last ingredient, green onions. I know most of you are probably wondering what these Inari tofu pockets are, and they are what they use to stuff sushi rice in, also known as cone sushi. These style Inaris came in a packet in a marinade, so it's very wet, and when you look at each layer, it opens up like a pillowcase, but you're going to keep them together and cut them into strips like this. For those of you who are wondering, they have an omelet-like texture with a sweet and savory, slightly vinegar taste to it. Prepare your edamame by quickly blanching it in boiling water, and do the same with your udon noodles. This process is very quick. Once your noodles are done cooking, go ahead and strain and rinse them in cool water. You want to make sure all of our ingredients are chilled before assembling. So if you don't make this ahead of time and have it stored in the fridge, you can chill them by throwing some ice on it, as I did here, and I left it on the counter ready to assemble. I will be assembling my salad in a pan so that I can layer all the ingredients. So here I have a bed of chopped lettuce along with all the prepped ingredients. Udon noodles, inari strips, edamame or soybeans, green onions, cut up nori strips, and tempura flakes. And all we have to do is layer them in that exact order. Thank you to my friend Remy and her family for sharing this recipe with me. They travel all the time to Japan and experience this dish there and recreated it here at home and shared that with us on Christmas. And so when she came over and delivered it to me and she told me this was an udon salad, I was scratching my head because I've never heard of it. But when I tasted it, I enjoyed it so much. It's refreshing with a whole bunch of different textures, and the flavors from the inari and the roasted sesame dressing was just so perfect together. So I'm so happy to be able to recreate this and make this for my friends and family and share it with you guys. I have my portion plated here, and isn't it so beautiful to see all the different ingredients and fresh colors? When it comes to dressing the salads, my friend gifted me these two dressings and instructed me to mix them together. She said that the yellow capped dressing has a more tangy flavor to it, and yes, after tasting it, it definitely does. I would describe it as very similar to ume, which has an apricot fruity tangy flavor to it. My apologies, I have no idea what this dressing is called. There's nothing in English on it, but if you want, you can screenshot it and hopefully find it in your Asian market. But to be honest, after I added this roasted sesame dressing, which I'm sure you can find at any local grocery store, it really overpowered the first dressing. So honestly, you can get away with just using that one, and it will be nothing short of an amazing salad. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and thank you for watching.